Hey guys, it's Hannah Sky here from Sweetener. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial today with you. This is what's going to be an extra edit. These are basically your extra edited kind of defaults that people are using for their profile photos. So I'm going to be using a picture of Ariana. I'm also going to be, obviously I've opened up my template, this texture and this texture. So for those that don't know, my template's a slightly different size than most. It is 500 by 595. I like the slightly smaller. I know it's not much, but 5 pixels does make a difference to me on the side, on the height. So first things first is I'm going to add the texture. So I'm going to add this texture, just drag and drop onto my template on the size I'm going to be using for the layout, for the edit, and then I'm going to just crop and transform where I want the image to go. And then I'm going to add the second texture on top, and this time I'm going to have to scale it down, so I'm going to link all the quick tabs or commands on your keyboard below, but basically to zoom out or to the size of the image you press Ctrl and 0, and then if you want to zoom in it's Ctrl back, but I'll go through all of this with you on another separate video. So I'm just going to put the texture where I want it. And then I'm going to get my PNG of Ariana, just again drag and drop on. So as you can see, huge size, so Command and or Control and 0. I'm still getting used to working with a Windows computer. I'm just going to scale it down, Command and Control and 0 again, and just keep until it fits. Once I'm happy like that, I'm just going to push it in by pressing Enter. I'm then going to drag that layer underneath, like so, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove, using the eraser tool and slightly feathered, I'm going to raise the underneath of her arm and her, the bottom of her clothes, and then on top I'm just going to start removing, using the same tool, the eraser tool, what's covering her. Not completely, just the parts that are really obvious that makes her really pale. Most of it is going to be left on. There, like so. And then once you've got that and you're happy with it, which I actually pretty am, I don't think there's really anywhere else that I've missed. You can visibly see where she's not meant to be. I guess I could actually remove that bit there, but it doesn't make no difference really. And then once you're happy with it, you can merge visible on the bottom background layer, and that puts it all together. Now for those that want a topaz clean kind of style but don't have topaz clean, all you have to do is go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur, and just copy these out. So you just need a radius of 2 and a threshold of 6. And as you can see on the preview, it gives it a nice kind of smooth blend. So I'm going to click OK, and as you can see, it's just made it slightly bit smoother skin, and then you could add your sharpening layer on top, or your sharpening action. I actually start doing this twice now because I think sometimes the first one doesn't make it as thingy. But then basically you go, that is your extra edit. You can then whack on a PSD if you want to, or you can create your own, and then you can just tag it as you like. So if you like this tutorial, please do thumbs up or like the video. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to follow more of my Photoshop tutorials. And as always, if you need any help, just comment below or message me over on roleplayer.me/xmakeawish, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.